Welcome to Tiny World Now Zone Fashion Mall. We also have coffee shop inside. Ang mura dito guys, like 100,000 dong, almost $5 lang, unlimited time na. We have sweet treats here. So cute. Yan, arts and crafts here in this section. Maraming activities for kids. Extra charge lang dito kung gusto mong mag-avail. And they have ice creams. Ang mura guys, sobra. Hindi sila overpriced. Ito naman yung food. Pizza. Kilo Cafe. May mga chips din. Yan o, chips. Affordable siya dito guys. At ang ganda ng dining area. Ng dining area. Very comfortable. May theater pa sila oh. Mga gusto magpo-perform. Pag gusto ng massage, ito, may massage chair. Ito naman yung play area. Ball pool. May mga giant slides. Ito, Moon Pai Tu. Yung food nila. Here. Mura lang din. Ito yung mga vending machine, oh. Halos kompleto. Obstacle course. There. You can remove the dollar. Kem Poon. Oh, you can put your name. Oh. You can use that one. Yeah. You put Amir. Na.
Ano gamit mo?
Na.
Wala man, Adidas lang yun.
Saan ang toilet? Tataiyak.
Ayun, dyan, sa kanila. Come on!
Okay. Whoa! Whoa, she's so strong. What about you? Go. Tingnan mo siya, oh. 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 Ana! Oh, one more, one more. Go. Oh, go. Ano? Oh. Galing na. Ang bigat mo kasi, hi. Oh. Wow! Wow! Ang lakas mo! Oh. Go! Oh.
These are from me, right?
Oh.
Okay, this is letter D, and this is the one from the one in Vietnam, from the other one in the Philippines. I guess this is the letter D, and this is my number 5. We also have this Rubik's cube right here, the Axis cube and the Magic cube, 2x3 and Axis cube. Maybe this one is a bit insane because it's cube. Just because that's what I already have.
So which one have you decided to buy? You already have that in the
This
Philippines.
one, I decided to buy this one.
You have that in the Philippines.
But mommy, you said you decide which one you decide to buy?
Mommy decided to buy what?
Hmm.
The ones that you don't have. Because you know, it's a waste of money. You will double your shopping. You already have it in Philippines.
But mommy,
Somebody will give you that.
yeah, but mommy, I only created some wood. But mommy, I want to create some wood so I can. Mommy, the reason why I
Okay,
find
we
this
just
because
cancel, okay?
mommy, can you? The reason I buy this because I wanted to make some words like double D because in the wood. Because in the primitive word danga, it has 2 D's. So this one, I would buy this in the Philippines, and then I'll get a full pack on Philippines, so I can have double D. So I can create my word. So I can create words.
Welcome to Paul Cafe. Welcome. As we enter, yan o. Egg coffee, the original egg coffee. Here in Vietnam.
Sino siya? Oh, yan.
Yummy. Yeah. Yan, we're here sa Central Market. Ito yung Soho Town. Ang kanilang food court. Around here yung kanilang Tiangge. Ang gaganda ng product. Look at this. Magneto. Yan. Mga souvenirs and everything. Yan. The new market one. guys, oh. Parang sa Green Hills. Ayan. Lots of shops. At the Central Market. Pasok tayo sa Soho Town. Dito sila, oh. Isang mabilisang ikot lang. Yan. Merong Thai tuk-tuk. Kompleto dito, guys. This one is Indian cuisine. Naman ang refreshment. I think Thai din ata to. Hong Kong. Chinese, Hong Kong. Yan, mga milk tea. Refreshment. Chicken. Ito yung ano nila, oh, parang minatamis. Yan, Saigon. Hong Kong. Forest. Chibao. Gold. Ramde. Ito kumain kami dito kagabi din. Sinuha namin yung ito. Clay pot caramel sauce. Sarap. Ayan yung ano. Design. Tao. Yan, oh. Ito yung in-order namin. Crispy pork belly.